Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn about the Django user registration. So let's get into the coding. First open up your text editor, then create a folder where you want to be or where you want your program to be. Then in the terminal type Django admin start project. For simplicity we will say project. And by the way, I will recommend you to have the basic understanding of Django, or else this tutorial may be not for you. So now cd project button manage the py start app. Now we are starting to create an app. For simplicity again, we are gonna name it application. Okay, application. Now open up your folder, then go to the settings. First of all, we have to tell the Django that we have made an app, so we will name the application. For me it's application because we named the application. Okay, now we will go include our URLs. Okay, so we will need include path, but include application dot URLs. Now we will create URLs dot py. Okay, now from Django dot URLs import path. Or misspelled, import path. Now we will say URLs patterns. URL patterns. We will say URL patterns. This is case sensitive, so correct your spelling over here. Okay, then we will say path, but we will say views dot index. Okay, index we will say from dot import views, from dot import views. Now we will name it views mean index. For now it's enough. And now we will create we'll say def index request return render request, comma. Now we have to create our template. Say templates now we'll say index.html. We'll say hey there. Now we will say sign up. We'll say button. We will say sign up here. Then we'll another button. We will say there login here. Okay, we will send a tag. On the a tag we will now do. So we want the URLs. We want like login.html, and then up again href, and we will say the sign up dot html. Now we will same process. Okay, I think now our file is almost done over here. Yeah, so now create another file called sign up.html. Hey there, sign up here. We'll send form. The method should be paused for security reasons, and in the action this will be the URL of itself, okay, because we want the data to parse in this folder. So we will say sorry, file, I will say signup.html, sorry, we will in the URL, so there will be sign up, we will set up it next. Now we will say input, we will say username, input text. Now you should name it, okay, name is required or else we would not find out which one is which. Interviews.py, we will name it what can we name it? Okay, username, name it user name. Okay, name is a name, password here, input, so we will say password, type password, name, equal password, and say required and the end of the statement, required, so it will be required. Now create an input call button, the type should be submit, and the value you can say register account, okay, register account. And now we will need the login.html. Also, hey, there login here. We will say input pt, sorry, we will say form post for security reasons. Now actions would be itself, so we will name it login. Now we will say input, we will say user name, we will say input all text, and we should name it username. Why I'm misspelling it, but whatever. I will say password, input, we'll say input, okay, input, we will say name equal password word, okay, name is password. Now we will say button, input tag button, in the button we will say submit, and we will say login to account, login to account, okay. Our templates are done. Oh, sorry, we forgot the CSRF token. The CSRF token is for security measures in Django. We will say SRC, sorry, SRS, SRF, sorry, CSRF underscore token, CSRF token, and name it CSR token at the rate CSRF underscore token. CSRF underscore token is good. And don't forget to save. I forgot to save, which I didn't save. Okay, this and this and this. Why did I not save? Okay, forgot a comma. Don't forget it like me. Now we'll say okay. everything is safe. Now everything is almost done in the templates. We will now extend our URLs. Path dot views path the views, we would say sign up views dot sign up. Here's the sign up. Here's a name equal sign up p double p for page sign up. Now we will say path the path will be login form of views dot log in pro, okay, underscore pro, because we can't name the login because there are functions called login in Django authentication, so we have to name it a bit different. Pro stands for process in this case. Now we will say name, we will say name. In the name we can say login, and in here is okay, login. Now let's get into the views logic. We'll say okay, and here will be our index.html, and you can create the comment over delete the comment over here, and then start sign up. Now we will say request return render request and sign up.html. I will say def login underscore pro request. We'll say return render request login html. Okay, so our bases are done, and now we will say if request dot method we're saying if the user's method is post, then we will create his account or log in his account. Okay, if it's not, then if it's a normal normal interaction with our website, so like the user wants to go out to our website, then it will it will load. Now we will say we will say method, I forgot it, method okay, equal post. Make sure to spell method correctly, post. Now we will say username equal request dot post. We are now getting our username. We'll say username. Okay, this is our username. Now we will have to get the password like that too. Password. We'll say password. Okay, password. Now we have to import Django's user registration. We'll say from Django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user. Now we will say from django dot contrib dot auth import login logout logout and authenticate. Okay, now we will say new user equal user dot objects dot create user. Let's say create user, username equal username. We will say password equal password. Now we will save our new user dot save. Now it's saved. Now we want our user to be logged in when they signed up. Okay, so we will say login new user. As a new user, all those data will be new users that we got. And now we successfully created a website. So let's just check manage.py run server that our code is working correctly. Okay, Chrome. We'll say okay on a local host. Let's just wait. Okay, let's say hey there. We will say sign up. Okay, it says HTML. Okay, I think we did something wrong on the index. Oh, we forgot it here. The URLs it will be login. I meant it's login. Now it's good. Now it will work. I meant now. Okay, now it will work. Now let's say username Abdullah Al Maruf. By the way, this is my real name. With the password will be okay. Don't hack. I'm just joking. Now the authentication error / sign name not double. Okay, so this error is really common. We gotta migrate our database. Okay, we forgot it. A cd project we will say python manage.py make migrations. I think it should be oh sorry, I meant python manage.py migrate. Okay, it's applying through it. Now we can go and type like a BV. Okay, login missing one. Okay, I forgot it. Okay, it will take another argument called login. Sorry, request. Request, then the new user. I forgot it. Forgive me, bro. Now we will say that's Abdullah. Yeah, our user is done. How do we see that our user is created? We will say python manage.py create python manage.py create super user. They create super user. We will now do user. Okay, we will say let's just say Abdullah or Maruf I meant. Say put your name. Let's say now give your password. Password is too common. I don't care. Why? Successfully created. Now let's go to our database slash admin. Well, admin, you authenticated as Abdullah. We will say, what was my username again? Abdullah. Okay. Abdullah. Now we will say, Abdullah. Here's my password. Now put your password. Make sure it's corrected. You're authenticated as Abdullah, but you are not authorized to access. Would you like to log into a different account? Password. Okay, make sure to enter the correct password. Okay. Now let's go to users. We can say the BBB that we created. Okay. Now we can say that our website is successfully creating users. Now we want the functionality to log out and log in. Okay, now and after signing in or logging in, we want the user to be redirected to a page. Okay, for example, we can say success success.html this page is only for authenticated anti authenticated users. Now we will know this users for authenticated users. Now we will redirect our user. Let's say return redirect request. Oh, sorry, we want redirect. Oh, let's just import redirect success. Now we will add our path, the URL success views dot success Now we will name it go suck. Okay, we will say suck suck. Okay, for simplicity. Now we will say redirect suck. Okay, now let's see. Say gonna redirect. This page is not what is happening. Application of views has no attribute. Oh, I forgot. Now we will say def success request return render the return render. We will say okay, render request from a user. We will say success. We will say success.html. Okay, HTML success.html. We will say direct SF. Now we will say okay, now it's good. It's not working. Now okay, now we want the we want the page to be only accessible for authenticated users. Now we will say if you request dot user dot your dot, we will say sorry authenticated. If the user is authenticated, then it will return. Okay, if it's not, first of all we want from django dot http. Also you can just make another HTML file for it, but for now I'm not doing it. Import http response. It'll say http return. Else we will say if user is not authenticated, we will say return http response you like oh sorry rule, you are not authenticated. You're not authenticated. Okay, now it will say you are not authenticated. Now you want the login functionality. It's almost same. We will just copy it, just not the creation part. This, just copy it and paste it over here. Now we will say user equal authenticate. Okay, authenticate. We're now checking if the user really exists in our database. We will say username equal username, password equal password word. Now we're saying login request login request login request user login request. Now it's good. We will say now return redirect suck. We'll say return redirect suck. Okay, so our login is done, and now we want success to be a button. Okay, input, we will say form. This is the last string. Form post action suck. Okay, action should be success. What was the URL? Success. Okay, action should be success. Now input, we will say button. Okay, we will pass an empty, sorry, we want an input button. It will be just submit. Empty value equal logout. Okay, logout, it's done. Now we will take and we will say if my request dot method equal post, if equal post, then log out request. Okay, I think our website is done. Let's just check it out. Well, now we are authenticated as success. User has no attribute object or user object has no attribute user. What? Okay, where is the function here 9. Let's say check. Where is it form? Transaction. Where did I use user? User. Okay, so the error is where. Okay, so the error is in this line. I said user. User is not. See, a small mistake and the website doesn't work. Now we will say we'll try success. Okay, now you can say logout. CSRF. Oh, I forgot the CSRF and the CSRF token. We will say CSRF underscore token. CSRF token. Now it should work, I think. Now we will log out. Now if we refresh, it said log out. You are not authenticated. Now you're saying you are not authenticated. Okay. In a real case, we will send it back to the sign up or login, but okay, still okay. Now we can create an account like now this user is only for. See, Google is even saying that you made an account. Now if log out, then we can say you are not authenticated. Okay. Now we will say user login. Login. Let's just say what was our password? I forgot. Okay. I forgot my password. Whatever. Let's just make a new account. B A. Okay. I know the password. BBBA. And now we will log out. Okay. Log out. Then refresh. If you're not. Now log in. So log in here. BBB AAA. BBB AAA. BBB is hard. Yes. Okay, you see, I think that's it for today. And wait, if you want, so it can redirect, and or else you can render another page if you want. So I think it's good for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Peace out.